Hello everyone, my name is MITHIL Pashapu and today I'll be presenting my course project on AI for natural language processing. Okay. This presentation will give you an overview of how artificial intelligence has transformed the field of natural language processing from traditional rule-based systems to modern deep learning models like BERT and GPT. I will also go through key techniques, real-world applications, challenges, and future trends in this exciting field. Let's start with the basics. What is natural language processing? NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps machines understand, interpret, and even generate human language. In other words, it's what allows computers to communicate with us and in ways that feel natural. For example, when we talk to Alexa or Siri, when Google Translate converts one language to another, or when a chatbot responds to our questions, all of that happens because of NLP. Some major applications include text summarization, question answering, sentiment analysis, and speech recognition. Essentially, NLP is about teaching computers to read, listen, and respond just like humans do. Why NLP matters? Okay, so why does NLP matter? Language is the main way humans communicate. But for a long time, computers could only understand structured data like numbers. NLP makes it possible for them to process unstructured text such as emails, social media posts, or books. It enables more natural human computer interaction. You don't need to know programming or commands. You can just talk or type normally. NLP powers chatbots, virtual assistants, and search engines, all tools that we use every day. It also used in analyzing large-scale text data from social media to understand public opinion in healthcare to extract insights from medical notes and in customer service to handle support tickets automatically. So, NLP isn't just about technology, it's about connecting human communication with machine intelligence. Artificial intelligence plays a major role in making NLP powerful. Traditionally, NLP used to depend on handwritten rules, but language is so complex and full of expectations that it was impossible to cover everything. AI and more specifically machine learning and deep learning changed this by allowing computers to learn language patterns automatically from data. Instead of programmers defining every rule, models are trained on huge text data sets. They learn grammar, context, and even subtle meanings by themselves. This is how systems like GPT or BERT can generate fluent, human like sentences because they have learned patterns from billions of words. Let's compare how things were before and how they are now. Traditional NLP used rule based systems. Example, if we wanted to identify nouns or verbs, we would have manually write grammar rules. These systems worked okay for simple text but failed with ambiguity and slang or new phrases. AI based NLP, on the other hand, uses data driven models. They learn from examples, not fixed rules. With AI, models adapt to context. For example, the word bank could mean a financial institution or a river bank, and AI models learn which meaning applies based on surrounding words. This shift has made NLP much more accurate, robust, and capable of handling real world language. Now let's look at some of the key AI techniques that power NLP today. Machine learning algorithms like Navier-Bayes, logistic regression, and SVM are used for tasks such as text classification and spam detection. Deep learning models like RNNs, LSTMs, and CNNs are used to handle sequences of words like in speech or sentence generation. Attention mechanisms allow models to focus on the most important words or phrases in a sentence. Transformers like BERT or GPT will take attention even further, allowing parallel processing of text and understanding of long range dependencies. Reinforcement learning is used in dialogue systems like ChatGPT, where the model learns to give better responses through feedback. Together, these techniques can make modern NLP systems extremely powerful and versatile. One of the biggest breakthroughs in NLP came in 2017 with the introduction of the transformer model by Vaswani et al. In their paper, Attention is All You Need. Transformers revolutionized NLP by replacing order sequence models like RNNs and LSTMs. The key idea is self attention. The model looks at all the words in a sentence at once and figures out which ones are most relevant to each other. For example, in the sentence, the animal didn't cross the street because it was too tired. The model learns that it refers to animal, that context understanding, and that makes a transformer so effective. Some of the most famous transformer based models include BERT, GPT, Robertia, and TFAB, all of which have set new benchmarks in NLP tasks. There are also many great tools and frameworks that make NLP easier for developers and researchers. NLTK or Natural Language Toolkit is one of the oldest and simplest libraries for tokenization, tagging, and parsing. Spacey is more modern and faster alternative. It's widely used in production system. Hugging Face Transformers provides thousands of pre-trained models that anyone can fine-tune for their NLP tasks. And finally, OpenAI GPT models, including ChatGPT, a stage-of-the-art generative model is capable of producing text, summarizing, translating, and more. These tools have made NLP accessible to everyone. You have These tools have made NLP accessible to everyone. You no longer need to be a researcher to build smart language systems. One of the most popular NLP applications is sentiment analysis. Here, an AI model analyzes a piece of text and predicts whether it expresses a positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. For example, if someone tweets, I love the new iPhone, it's positive. But if they write, this app keeps crashing, that's negative. Businesses use sentiment analysis to monitor customer satisfaction, detect brand reception, and improve their products. It's also used in political analysis, for instance, to understand public reactions to speeches or policies. AI based NLP is used in so many areas that we often don't even realize it. Chatbots and virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and ChatGPT. Machine translation tools like Google Translate. Text summarization that condenses long articles into short summaries. Speech recognition in devices like smart speakers, spam detection in emails, medical text analysis that helps extract patients' information or detect diseases. These systems are helping automate communication and make information more accessible worldwide. Even with all these advancements, NLP still faces many challenges. First is ambiguity. Words can have multiple meanings. For example, a word bat could mean an animal or a baseball bat. Then there's context and sarcasm. For instance, the sentence, "Yeah, great job," could be genuine as sarcastic. And it's very hard for models to tell the difference. Low resource languages like Telugu or Swahili lack enough data to accurate models. There are also ethical issues. Large models can reproduce biases that exist in the training data. Finally, large AI models require huge computational power, which makes them expensive and less eco friendly. Looking forward, several exciting trends are shaping the future of NLP. First one, multimodal AI, combining text, images, and audio to create more intelligent systems. For example, models that can describe images or understand videos. The second one, low resource and multilingual NLP, making models fair, transparent, and unbiased. Smaller, efficient models like Distribute and Tiny GPT that can run on mobile or edge devices. Integration with robotics and IoT, allowing machines to understand and act on human instructions. These trends will make NLP more global and more ethical and more accessible. To conclude, artificial intelligence has completely revolutionized natural languages processing. It's what enables computers to understand, translate, and even generate human language more naturally than ever before. We have moved from rigid rule based systems to intelligent models that truly learn and adapt. As NLP continues to evolve, the focus will be on making AI systems more interpretable, ethical, and efficient, ensuring they benefit everyone. Thank you for all the listening. I hope this presentation helped you understanding how AI is shaping the future of human language technology. And the key resources for this presentation include Vaswani 80 AL 2017 paper, Attention is All You Need, the textbook Speech and Language Processing by Jurafsky and Martin, and resources from Hugging Face. Thanks again for your attention. Thank you so much.